Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by ensuring the night vision item is in your loadout and bound to a convenient key. Press the key the moment you spawn. Once done, check the map's ambient lighting because NVG performance changes with bright muzzle flashes. Make sure to move slowly at first. Crouch and scan each corridor to learn how green bloom affects depth perception. If you see washed-out areas, adjust distance and angle. This initial setup reduces surprises when you engage opponents in low-light zones. You activate night vision and immediately compare on versus off to understand contrast differences, then move deliberately because rapid strafing blurs NVG clarity. Once the green overlay is active, use short bursts of movement and micro-adjust your aim between steps to maintain target acquisition. Be aware of reflections on glass or shiny walls. These produce false contacts that draw your focus. Make sure to coordinate with teammates about flashlight use or incendiaries. Since bright effects temporarily blind your NV, you end by deactivating night vision before entering well-lit zones to prevent sudden blindness and to preserve item availability for later rounds. If you experience flicker, clipping, or stuttering, make sure to lower your video detail or respond to clear rendering artifacts. Restarting the map fixes many visual bugs. Finally, manage your NVG resource. Use it at decisive moments rather than continuously, and communicate timing with teammates so your ability is available when it matters most.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.